No. So today we discuss about the present perfect tense and present indefinite tense. So this is the present indefinite tense. Okay. The last of the Bangla we can find out that E or A. These are the. For example, Rabi চাকরি করে at the last E আছে যে তুমি থাকতো তুমি চাকরি করো সে আচ্ছা যদি এটা আমি থাকতো তাহলে কিন্তু আমি চাকরি করি তাহলে ই ও এই সব আছে আচ্ছা রাবি বাড়ি যায় তাহলে শিশু অন্তস্থ আছে হ্যাঁ যদি তুমি হতো তুমি বাড়ি যাও তাহলে ও আছে অর্থাৎ একার এবং আকার মিলে ও হয় so this is the present perfect indefinite tense and next one is what the structure is that first one is so we know that there are three forms of the verb present form past form past participle form for example go is the present form went past form and gone past participle form am I right yes sir মানে ভারতের তিনটা ফর্ম আছে প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম পাস্ট ফর্ম পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল ফর্ম we have already discussed আমরা আলোচনা করেছি so at first we have to see that if there is a third person singular number you know third person নাম পুরুষ first person I second person you third person পৃথিবীতে যা আছে সব but singular মানে এক বচন plural বহুবচন ওকে তাহলে সিঙ্গুলার হচ্ছে কি হি she it এগুলো হচ্ছে সিঙ্গুলার ক্লিয়ার সো থার্ড পারসন নাম পুরুষ এবং হ্যাঁ থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার হি she it সো ইফ ইউ সি দ্যাট দেন উই ক্যান ইউজ ডাজ দেখো রিয়াটা কি থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার রাবিটা কি থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার নাম পুরুষ এবং এক বচন সো দেন উই ক্যান ইউজ ডাজ দিস সাবজেক্ট এই সাবজেক্টের সঙ্গে আমরা ডাজ ইউজ করি when you make the negative sentence or interrogative sentence. Clear? Next one is so what will happen? So first one is that where. Next one is does. This is the principal verb. It is into principal. Okay. Next one is আমরা বলেছিলাম যে does, but that is the auxiliary verb. But in this sentence, does is the principal verb. For example, in our college, there is a principal. একটা principal আছে. Okay, next one is auxiliary. We are the lecturers are the auxiliary teachers because the principal is giving us the direction and we are performing our performance. So that is the auxiliary. Or we can say that is the we are the part. We are not the principal. So principal মানে প্রধান আর এটাকে আমরা বলি main also. So this one is the principal verb. And next one, what will happen if there is a third person singular number? We can add. Do you know what is the meaning of the add? Do you like coffee or milk? Coffee. So I am saying that take the coffee, but without sugar. And then you are saying, sir, please add the sugar. মানে ওর সাথে চিনি add করুন. So you know what is the meaning of the add. So this is the add is es, sometimes ies. For example, fly. You know what is the meaning of the fly? Ora. So if third person singular number is the subject, then y is omitted and then ies is added. Okay? Yes, so that is the present indefinite tense and we are adding ies against the y. Clear? So then we have used here. So do is the principal verb. Did is the past form and past participle form is done as a principal verb. Clear? But auxiliary verb is also it is using here. Does is the here auxiliary verb. Do is the principal verb. Because this is the negative sentence, but this is the we can use does. And next one is this is the object. Okay? Yes sir. Let's start it now. Okay, next. So does yeah. So this is the auxiliary verb and it will come there first. Next one subject. Next one is principal verb. Next one is object. So you know that transitive verb and intransitive verb. If there is the transitive verb, we can use the object. But if there is not the there is the transitive verb, that is intransitive verb, then we can write down the prepositional phrase or adverb. So next one, WS question. Next one, auxiliary verb. Next one, subject. Next one is principal verb. Next one is direct object because the verb is transitive verb. Clear? So this is and this is also structure ws plus do or does plus subject. Next one is so you know what is the meaning of the w is w for what when what is the meaning of the when why where how that is h for how many how much okay w দিয়ে কি বোঝাচ্ছে what how when এগুলো আর h for how how many how much for example I am saying how are you so this is the interrogative sentence and we are using what h for how You understand? So H and W, it refers निर्देश करो. It refers the word. Okay, how many, how much, how. Okay, and next one is W. W for when, where. Okay, so these are things. For example, with whom, by whom, with whom. So these are the elaboration, explanation, illustration about this W. So in this way we can use the present indefinite tense. So I hope you can understand it. And present perfect tense is is that, for example, the acho, achi, achin at the last of the Bangla, and then the structure is that subject plus have or has, and next one is the past participle form of the verb. So you have to memorize the form of the verb. For example, do, did, done, go, went, gone, play, played, played, make, made, made. So there is a list and তালিকা আছে ভাবে পড়েছো না ক্লাস 9 এ? Okay, so the college level is that we are saying if you have forgotten that you have to memorize it. যদি তুমি ভুলে যাও তাহলে আবার তোমাকে পড়তে হবে, otherwise you cannot do the tense, because tense is the basic form of spoken language. No sir. Okay. So what will happen? You have to perform about this form of the verb. So verb is the most important. Okay. So if you memorize the form of the verb, then it is very easy for you. Okay. Next one is that present perfect tense. We have finished. How? For example, at the last we can identify that acho, achi, achi. And next one is, for example, a sentence. যেমন তুমি বাড়ি গিয়েছো. So this is the present perfect tense. But তুমি বাড়ি যাও, এটা কিন্তু present indefinite. পার্থক্যটা কি? কখন বাড়ি যাও, it is not definite. কখন যাও, এটি ফুল আছে. So this is indefinite. Clear? Next one is perfect. Perfect হচ্ছে indefinite এর চাইতে একটু near. So perfect tense is closer than the indefinite tense. যেমন বাড়ি গিয়েছি, তার মানে কি কাজ কিছুক্ষণ আগে শেষ হয়েছে, বাট আমি বাড়ি যাই, এটা কি অনির্দিষ্ট, বোঝাই যাচ্ছে না সে কখন আসে। যেমন সে আসে, বোঝা যায় কখন আসে, বাট সে এসেছে, তার মানে কিছুক্ষণ আগে আসছে, তার মানে ওইটার চাইতে এটা একটু পারফেক্ট। আমরা বলি না কাজটা পারফেক্ট হয়েছে, তার মানে কি পুরো ঘটিত হয়েছে। ওকে, সো দিস ইজ দ্য পারফেক্ট টেন্স। এন্ড নেক্সট ওয়ান ইজ দ্যাট হোয়াট ইজ দ্য স্ট্রাকচার? We have already known, that is he has gone home. সে বাড়ি গিয়েছে। Okay, so thank you all of my students. I hope that you can understand it. Okay, thank you. We will discuss about the simple, complex and compound sentences. Okay, so firstly you have to know that is non-finite verb. For example, in the simple sentence we can find out that the non-finite verbs. Okay, so first sentence is that is ticket to enjoy. So this is the simple sentence and you have to make it the compound and complex. But why it is called that simple sentence? First one is the only single subject, and next one is only one finite verb. Do you know what is finite verb? Which verb gives us the complete meaning, that is called finite verb. If the verb does not give the complete meaning, that is called non-finite. For example, you stand up. What's your name? Lisa. So Lisa plays Ludo. So this sentence is complete sentence or incomplete? এই বাক্যটা কি সম্পূর্ণ না অসম্পূর্ণ? সম্পূর্ণ। আচ্ছা, I am saying that going to school. Going to school. School এ গিয়ে. Is it the complete sentence or incomplete? Incomplete. So the meaning is that if the verb gives us the complete meaning, that is called the finite verb gives us the complete meaning, and non-finite verb it does not give us the complete meaning. অর্থাৎ সম্পূর্ণ অর্থ দিতে পারে না কে non-finite verb. So going to school or going to university, this is not the complete sense, the meaning. Sense মানে অনুভূতি বা অর্থ, হ্যাঁ meaningটাও তাই। These are the synonymous words. So in this sentence, plays cricket or he plays cricket, this is the complete meaning. But to enjoy this part, if you delete, there is no problem. অর্থাৎ সে ক্রিকেট খেলে কেন? আনন্দ পাওয়ার জন্য। So to enjoy, if you delete it, there is no problem because that is infinitive. So that is the non-finite verb. Clear? So non-finite verb, it does not give us the complete meaning. It is helping us to increase the meaning of the sentence. তাহলে নন ফাইনাইট ভার্বগুলো কি কাজ করে? সেন্টেন্সের অর্থগুলোকে বাড়িয়ে দেয়, ইনক্রিজড, সমৃদ্ধ করে। ক্লিয়ার? এটা বুঝতে পেরেছো? So this is what this verb is finite verb, that is play, and to enjoy, that verb is non finite verb. So non finite verb we have find out that infinitive. Okay, so what is infinitive? Sit down, Lisa. So I am saying infinitive. So infinitive equal to plus b1. So 2 plus b1 what is? We know that there are 3 forms of the verbs. Is that verb got a form? 3. Present form, past form, loudly tell me. Past participle. Okay. So v1 is the present form. You understand that? For example, 2. This is the 2, and next one v1. Enjoy. Enjoy is the present form. Past form key. What is the past form of the verb enjoy? Enjoy. What is the past participle form? Enjoyed. Okay. See, S E E. See. This is the present form. What is the past form? Saw. What is the past participle form? Seen. Okay. Okay. Buy. B U Y buy. This is the present form. What is the past form? Bought. B O U G H T bought. This is not B R O U G H T. So B R O U G H T brought, that is bring, brought. For example, I am carrying my laptop. So that is bring. So past form is brought. Brought. B R O U G H T brought. And past participle form also same. And bring, buy. B U Y buy. Okay. So this is not buy. This is buy. B Y buy. So this is the verb. Okay. So buy is the present form. Past form is bought. B O U G H T. And past participle form also same. So the present form, past participle form. These are the very important, because without the verb we cannot make the sentence. Okay. So enjoy. To enjoy, this is the infinitive. Clear? And what this is? And next, this is the simple sentence, because minimum one subject, one finite verb. So object is not essential. For example, he walks. What is the Bangla of this sentence? She hate. He is walking. She hated, he has walked. Because this is the variation of the tense, present tense, perfect tense, and continuous tense. Okay. So minimum we have to find out subject. Next one is play, and next one is cricket. So cricket, why important? Because this is the transitive verb. Then we can use the object. But he walks. This is the subject, and next one is verb. That is enough. Clear? Okay. So that is what simple sentence. And to enjoy, if we delete it, there is no problem. আমরা যদি enjoyটাকে বাদ দেই, কোনো অসুবিধা আছে? There is no problem. For example, you plays ludo. তুমি ludo খেলো. So that is enough. The sentence is complete meaning. But you are adding something. তুমি আরো কিছু যোগ করছো. The sentence is enriched. আরো সমৃদ্ধ হচ্ছে. Informative. আরো তথ্যবহুল হচ্ছে. Clear? Okay. So that is not essential. But if you delete it, there is no problem. But if you delete the play, he cricket to enjoy. Is it complete sentence or is it possible to sentence? হ্যাঁ, বাংলা কি আসছে? তুমি হ্যাঁ ক্রিকেট আনন্দ করতে। কি হলো? অর্থ হলো? So there is no meaning. So without the meaning, we can say this is not the sentence. So sentence must have the meaning. Okay? And it has also the structure also. Okay? If there is no structure, there is no sentence. For example, I am saying walks he. Hate she. Have a sentence? Why not? Because English sentence has the minimum structure. Subject, verb, object. Clear? But Bangla sentence, it has another structure. For example, subject, object, verb. She bari jai. Subject, object, verb. Clear? But English sentence, subject, verb, object. So when we are learning English language, we have to follow the English structure. Yeah? Okay. So this is the infinitive, and that was the simple sentence. Why it is simple sentence? You have to understand, because that was the non-finite verb, that is enjoy. To enjoy, this is the infinitive. Okay. So now we will make the complex sentence. For example, write down very fast. Write down this. So he plays cricket so that he can enjoy it. Okay. You have to know that is what is simple sentence. Its another name is principal clause. When we are making the simple complex compound sentences, in that case we will discuss about the clause. Actually, clause, sentence is narration, voice, all are same things, just name of the different places. For example, I am a human being, but in this moment I am a lecturer of English. But if I go to the market, I am a customer. If I go to the doctor, I am a patient. Okay. So you have also different types of designation. তোমার বিভিন্ন পদবী আছে না? So that is designation. So this is the sentence for simple complex compound. So in this case you have different types of designation. So designation is পদবী. So here we are saying that principal clause. Why we are saying clause? Because there are two clauses in this sentence. He plays cricket. This is the principal clause. And next one is so that he can enjoy it. This is another clause. The name of this clause is subordinate clause. So this part is principal clause. Clear? So this part is called principal clause. So what is the minimum structure of the principal clause? One subject and one finite verb. I am saying about, that is, what is finite verb? The verb is giving the complete meaning. That is called finite verb. Have you take the picture? So this is what principal clause, and next one is subordinate clause. Okay. Next one is from here to there is called subordinate clause. So we know that is principal clause give us the complete meaning, but subordinate clause, this is the dependable clause. Subordinate clause, its another name is dependable. For example, you are depending on your parents. Your father is giving the money, then you can come here. You understand? So this is what? This is the subordinate, that is dependable. For example, Bangladesh is what? Dependable country or independent or free country? Independent country. So this is not independent, this is dependable, because so that he can enjoy it. সুতরাং সে আনন্দ করতে পারে। তার মানে নিশ্চয়ই আগে কিছু ছিল, তুমি কি হুট করে কাউকে কিছু বলবা? Instantly you cannot say any person that you are, so that you can enjoy it. At first you have to say at least another sentence. For example, this sentence, he plays cricket. She cricket খেলে. So this is first principal clause, and it is the complete meaning, that is independent sentence. And next one is so that he can enjoy it. That sentence is dependable. For this reason we can say that is the subordinate clause. Clear? Okay, who can tell me that what is principal clause, what is subordinate clause? What's your name? Okay, tell me Suraya, what is the principal clause?
Principal clause হচ্ছে যে একটা বাক্য সম্পর্ক অর্থ প্রকাশ করছে।
Thank you. Lisa, what is the subordinate clause? Dependent sentence. Good. Sit down. So this is principal and that is subordinate. Okay. Now we have to know that is what are the characteristics or what are the features or manner or behavior of the subordinate or subordinate conjunctions. Okay. For example, subordinate conjunctions at the seat at the first here. Okay. This part we can see that there is a subordinate conjunction. For example, what are the subordinate conjunctions? We know that there are three types of conjunction. One is coordinate conjunction, that is and, but, or. Next one is correlated, not only but also, either or, neither nor. Okay. Next one is subordinate conjunction. So we need what are the subordinate conjunction, that is W or H. For example, why, who. So why we can say that this is the subordinate conjunction, because this conjunction is depends on another sentence. For example, why or who or when or where or if, so that, though, although, etc. There are many subordinate conjunctions, and this conjunction sits before the subordinate clause. So subordinate clause you have seen, he can enjoy it. So here we have used that. So that is also subordinate conjunctions. Okay. So this is also the principal clause. Which part? This part. He can enjoy. This is the complete sentence. But before this complete sentence, we put down a conjunction, and the conjunction is subordinate conjunction. These are the subordinate conjunction. For this sentence, that is this part, is called subordinate clause. Okay. So subordinate clause, or you can say principal clause, or you can say another things, that is sentence. So this sentence and this sentence, that is both side complete sentence. But this complete sentence or principal clause, we have used a subordinate conjunction, that is coded. For this reason, what happened? It becomes subordinate clause. তার মানে প্রিন্সিপাল ক্লজের আগে যদি একটা সাবঅর্ডিনেট কনজাংশন বসে তখন এটা আবার হয়ে যায় সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ। বুঝা গেছে? both sides we have used two principal clause. দেখো দুই পাশে কিন্তু দুইটা প্রিন্সিপাল ক্লজ আছে বা দুইটা মানে ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট সেন্টেন্স আছে, বাট লাস্টে কি করছে, দুইটা সেন্টেন্সের মাঝে আমরা একটা কনজাংশন ইউজ করেছি। So in the middle we have put down a conjunction, then the last sentence it becomes the subordinate clause. তাহলে কিন্তু পরেরটা সাবঅর্ডিনেট হয়ে গেছে। So principal clause you have to understand it very clearly, then you can understand it. Okay. Last one is, we know that he plays cricket and he can enjoy it. So here is he and here is he. This is omitted. Clear? He can delete it, no problem. তার মানে এখানে কি হিতে অনুচ্চ আছে। You know what is the meaning of the omitted, vanished, hidden? What? Yeah, right, you're right. So in this sentence, compound sentence, we have seen that he plays. And next one is and is here. We have written here and. So here we have put down another conjunction. Both sides we have seen that this is principal clause, this is also principal clause. Why? Because here he is hidden. He কথাটা উজ্জ্ব আছে, লুকিয়ে আছে। Okay, no problem. But why you can say that this is the compound sentence? Because there are two sentences which is equal, that is principal clause. But there is a conjunction, the name of this conjunction is coordinate conjunction. We know that what is coordinate conjunction? And but or, either or, neither nor. But generally you have seen that and but or. Okay. So coordinate conjunction but or. Okay. And correlated conjunction, that is not only but also, either or, neither nor. Okay, that. So these are the seen in the compound sentences. So generally this is the important thing is that, so and but or if you see and there are two sentences, then it is called compound sentence. Clear? Okay, will I give an example and you will do it? একটা উদাহরণ দেব, তোমরা করো, চেষ্টা করো সিম্পল কমপ্লেক্স কম্পাউন্ড বানানোর। দেখো Lisa, Baba, have you had the brave? Do you know what is the meaning of the brave? Dear? Okay, good. For example, I watch. Do you know what is the meaning of the clue? Information. Data. Okay, so clue is also same. So I watch a movie to find a clue. Make it simple complex compound. Very easy sentence. I watch a movie. আমি একটা সিনেমা দেখি, find a clue, একটা তথ্য বের করার জন্য। Same structure, same way. Simple বানাও. That is, this is the simple sentence. Already I have given you the simple sentence. You have to make it complex and compound. Same rules, একই নিয়ম কিন্তু খেয়াল করে দেখো অ্যানসার কিন্তু এর মধ্যেই দেয়া আছে জাস্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু পুট ডাউন দা পারসন চেঞ্জ সাবজেক্টটা চেঞ্জ করো সাবজেক্ট এখানে কি আছে ভার্বটা চেঞ্জ করো দেখো ওখানে ভার্ব আছে এটা হবে অবজেক্ট এটা হবে আর টু ফাইন্ড আউট হ্যাঁ এটা দিয়ে শুধু এখানকার অংশটা ওখানে চলে যাবে একই স্টাইল সেম প্রসেস পারবা তুমি ওকে মুখে কি বলতে পারবা সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স টেল মি সিম্পল বলো কে পারবা লিজা শ্বাস করে দাঁড়াও হয়ে যাবে দিস ইজ ওয়ার্ড সিম্পল now you have to make it complex বলো কে পারবা কেউ দাঁড়াচ্ছে না লিজা শ্বাস করে দাও বলো ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ সাবজেক্ট নিয়ে এসো কি হবে বলো আই কি চেঞ্জ হবে না আই থাকবে গুড আই নেক্সট ওয়ান ওয়াচ এটা থাকবে না চেঞ্জ হবে ওয়াচ গুড কে বলে পারে না হ্যাঁ তারপরে বলো এ মুভি অবজেক্ট এটা থাকবে না চেঞ্জ হবে এটা তো অবজেক্ট চেঞ্জ হবে কি হবে চেঞ্জ হবে অবজেক্ট কি হবে দ্যাটস রাইট এ মুভি গুড তারপরে এইবার একটু চেঞ্জ হবে দেখো কমপ্লেক্সে কি নিয়ে এসেছিলাম সো দ্যাট তাহলে এবার বসাই দাও কি হবে সো দ্যাট গুড কে বলে তোমরা পারো না নেক্সট ওয়ান আবার সাবজেক্ট আসবে তাহলে এবার সাবজেক্ট কি ছিল হ্যাঁ তাহলে এখানে তুমি আই লিখতে পারো বা এটা ব্র্যাকেট দিতে পারো তার মানে এটা ওমিটেড লুকিয়ে আছে দিস ইজ ওমিটেড আমরা এটাকে ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে দিলাম হ্যাঁ এটা দিলেও হয় না দিলেও হয় নো প্রবলেম নেক্সট ওয়ান ভার্ব নিয়ে এসো কোন ভার্ব ছিল বলো কি হবে এখানে কি ছিল অক্সিলারি ভার্ব ক্যান ছিল না নিয়ে এসো তাহলে কি করতে পারি আই ক্যান ভার্ব কি আছে এবার বলো ফাইন গুড ফাইন কি বের করতে পারি কি বের করতে পারি অবজেক্ট দেওয়া আছে দেখো একটু এই যে হয়ে গেছে পারসন so this is the complex sentence because we have used another sentence and we can use subordinate conjunction next one so compound ke bolba compound sentence bolo Lida tell me the answer subject I good next one verb I watch W-A-T-C watch next one object bolo a movie good কে বলে পারে না next one conjunction কি কি ছিল and verb or কি হবে and good next one again কি লাগবে আবার হ্যাঁ বলো I good এখানে I টা কি যেহেতু উভয় পাশে আছে then you can omit it no problem next one আচ্ছা কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সের আইটা ওইটা দিতে হবে হ্যাঁ কিন্তু এই কম্পাউন্ডের এই আইটা তুমি নাম দিতে পারো ক্লিয়ার সো ইন দা কমপ্লেক্স you have to write down I but compound sentence you have to put down that is complex sentence you have to put down the I that is subject is essential but compound that is not necessary okay so next one is verb কি দেওয়া আছে can good next one principal verb find next one object include so this is very easy for you I hope okay short chilo na so it was very easy for you and in this way you have to practice and if you memorize the sentence that is easy for you that is in the principal sentence what is this So we have find out that here. So the first one is structure. First one is we have find out, that is, so structure is what? First one is subject. Next one is, yes, verb. That is verb. Next one is, that is object. Okay. If the verb is transitive verb, there is object. If that there is a intransitive verb, we can write down the preposition or adverb or prepositional phrase. Okay. And last one is that to enjoy. This is the extra. This is the extra. Clear? Have you written? Take the picture. So I hope that you can enjoy the classes. Okay. And I have told that you will go to the internet, that is my channel, and you will find out these types of classes details, and Facebook page, that is English for Today. If you search English for Today, the page number, you will get my classes. Every day you will get the live class. Okay, and you can enjoy the class. You can practice daily. English is not difficult. This is just a language. If you practice, if you take it, this is